Dear students, let us look at one more question. Very simple question. A carrier is frequency modulated with maximum frequency deviation of 100 kilohertz. That means what is given? Delta F is given. Now find the beta and bandwidth. What is given? Message signal frequency is given. It is first case it is 10 kilohertz, second case it is 1 megahertz. It is very simple question, straightforward formula. Delta F is given, Fm is given, you have to find out the beta and bandwidth. Very simple, very simple. See here, delta F is given, Fm is given. Beta is equal to delta F by Fm. Beta is equal to 10. When beta is given, bandwidth you can calculate. Right? For Fm 10 kilohertz. Next, Fm is 1000 kilohertz. Right? So now what is the beta value? See, beta value is coming to be now 0.1. You know that when the beta value is very less compared to 1, we call it as a narrowband frequency modulation. Right? The wave which you get is narrowband frequency modulated wave. So bandwidth is equal to, now for this, is the bandwidth is 2 times beta plus 1? No, for this bandwidth is not 2 times beta plus 1. Right? So here when the beta value is greater than 1, okay, bandwidth is going to be 2 times beta plus 1 into Fm. But when the bandwidth is, beta value is less than 1, it is same as your EM wave. Right? You have done in the class, it has been proved in the class. Now you can see that your bandwidth is 2 times Fm. That is 2 times Fm. Fm is 1 megahertz. That is 100,000 kilohertz. That's equal to 2 megahertz. This is the answer. Be careful. Depending on the value of beta, you choose the bandwidth formula. When beta is greater than 1, you choose this. When beta is less than 1, okay, you choose this bandwidth formula. Got it? Clear? It's a very simple answer to the question. Okay, and don't get confused why bandwidth formula is this one here. Okay, why bandwidth formula is this? Because of the beta value. Okay, beta value is greater than 1, it is 10 here, it is wideband frequency modulated wave. Beta value is less than 1 here, which is 0.1 here, it is narrowband frequency modulated wave, which is similar to our EM wave. So you get this bandwidth formula is 2 times Fm, which is same as the bandwidth of the frequency modulated wave. Hope you understood this. So this question and this is the answer. Practice this.